How to change your password on the MEXC app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open MEXC app on your device. After you do that, just go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the top left hand corner. Once you do that, you can find security, right? Go ahead and tap on security, scroll a bit down and you can find password under device management. Tap on password option. What you need to do is go ahead and enter the old password. After you do that, you can scroll a bit down and enter your new password. So make sure that you follow these options. Go ahead and write down the new password once again and write down the confirm new password and click on confirm. So the withdrawal and fiat trading will be prohibited for the 24 hours after the password change. So make sure that you change your password according to the trades you're making. So it's quite easy, guys. Just go ahead and tap on password, write down your old password and enter your new password 2 times. And this is how easy it is to change your password on the MEXC app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.